Are you ready to explore the world without breaking the bank? In 2024, budget travel is easier than ever, with incredible destinations offering unforgettable experiences for just $50 a day. From the stunning landscapes of Bolivia to the vibrant streets of Vietnam, these 10 destinations combine culture, adventure, and affordability. Whether you're wandering ancient temples, lounging on pristine beaches, or trekking through lush mountains, you don't need to spend a fortune to make amazing memories. Get ready to pack your bags and discover the top budget-friendly spots to visit this year. Today we will talk about 10 insanely cheap destinations for budget travel in 2024, $50 per day. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Vietnam. Vietnam remains a top destination for budget travelers, offering a rich cultural experience, beautiful landscapes, and delicious food, all at incredibly low prices. Cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City are full of affordable guest houses, street food stalls, and cheap public transportation. You could explore historic sites like the ancient town of Hoi An, the Cu Chi tunnels, or take a boat tour through the majestic Halong Bay, all within your daily budget. On average, you can get by on less than $50 a day in Vietnam, including accommodation, meals, and activities. 2. Thailand. Thailand is famous for its affordability and vibrant mix of urban and rural experiences. Bangkok offers budget-friendly street food and accommodations, while Chiang Mai in the north is perfect for exploring temples, jungles, and elephant sanctuaries at a low cost. The islands, including Koh Samui and Koh Phi Phi, are also accessible on a budget if you stick to local guest houses and budget-friendly activities. Thailand's beaches, vibrant markets, and cultural landmarks can easily be enjoyed for less than $50 per day. 3. Cambodia. Known for the awe-inspiring Angkor Wat temple complex, Cambodia is one of the most affordable travel destinations in Southeast Asia. Beyond the iconic temples, travelers can explore Phnom Penh's historical sites, relax on the beaches of Sihanoukville, or explore the countryside's quiet charm. Guest houses and hostels in Cambodia are cheap, and local transportation and meals can be incredibly affordable. You can enjoy this country's rich history and culture for well under $50 per day. 4. Laos. Laos is often overlooked in favor of its neighbors, but it's a hidden gem for budget travelers. The country is filled with lush mountains, rivers, and peaceful towns. Backpackers particularly love Vang Vieng for its adventure activities like tubing and kayaking, while the capital, Vientiane, offers affordable accommodations and historical landmarks. Luang Prabang, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, combines culture and beauty, with stunning waterfalls and ancient temples to explore. With a budget of $50 per day, you can comfortably experience the natural and cultural richness of Laos. 5. India. India's diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture make it one of the most affordable and exciting destinations for travelers in 2024. You can explore the bustling streets of Delhi, the beaches of Goa, or the serenity of Kerala's backwaters, all within a very reasonable budget. Historic landmarks like the Taj Mahal are affordable to visit, and local transportation and food are remarkably cheap. India is vast, so you'll find something for every kind of traveler, whether you're drawn to the spiritual sites in Varanasi or the royal palaces of Rajasthan. 6. Indonesia. Indonesia offers an incredible variety of experiences for budget travelers. Beyond the famous island of Bali, places like Yogyakarta and Lombok provide affordable travel options, including budget accommodations and local street food. Yogyakarta is known for its proximity to the UNESCO-listed Borobudur Temple, while Lombok is an alternative to Bali's tourist crowds, offering pristine beaches and affordable island hopping. Travelers can enjoy outdoor activities like surfing, hiking, and diving while sticking to a daily budget of $50 or less. 7. Mexico. Mexico is a budget-friendly destination with a wide variety of experiences, from ancient ruins to vibrant beaches and bustling cities. You can explore Mexico City's art and history, relax on the Yucatan Peninsula's beaches, or dive into the cenotes near Tulum, all while staying within a $50 daily budget. Mexican food is both delicious and cheap, and public transportation, including buses and local flights, makes it easy to explore the country affordably. Whether you're looking for culture, adventure, or relaxation, Mexico is an ideal destination. 8. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a budget traveler's paradise with its stunning beaches, ancient temples, and wildlife safaris. You can explore the historic sites in Sigiriya, hike through tea plantations in Ella, and relax on the southern coast beaches, all within a modest budget. The country's transport system is cheap, especially the famous scenic train rides. Street food and affordable guest houses make it possible to enjoy Sri Lanka's cultural and natural wonders for less than $50 per day. 9. Nepal. For budget travelers who love the outdoors, Nepal offers stunning landscapes and affordable travel experiences. Whether you're trekking the famous Annapurna circuit or exploring the bustling streets of Kathmandu, Nepal provides incredible value for money. Accommodations and food, particularly in the trekking regions, are incredibly affordable. Adventure seekers can hike, visit ancient temples, and even spot wildlife, all for under $50 a day. Nepal is the ultimate destination for budget-conscious adventurers looking for mountain vistas and cultural immersion. 10. Bolivia. Bolivia offers an unparalleled adventure for travelers looking to stretch their budgets while experiencing some of the most unique and awe-inspiring landscapes in the world. Beyond Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia's diverse geography includes dramatic high-altitude plains, lush rainforests, and rugged mountains. The capital city, La Paz, sits at an elevation of over 11,900 feet, making it one of the highest cities in the world. Here, you can wander through the Witches' Market, where vendors sell traditional remedies and charms, or take a cable car ride for breathtaking panoramic views of the city and surrounding Andes Mountains. One of Bolivia's other major highlights is Lake Titicaca, which straddles the border between Bolivia and Peru. Known for its deep blue waters and fascinating history, the lake is dotted with islands, including Isla del Sol, believed to be the birthplace of the Inca civilization. The island is accessible via affordable boat rides, and you can hike its trails to discover ancient Inca ruins, tourist fields, and stunning viewpoints, all while sticking to your budget. For the more adventurous traveler, Bolivia's section of the Amazon rainforest offers a chance to see incredible wildlife, including monkeys, caimans, and exotic birds. Guided tours through eco-lodges or on traditional boats are reasonably priced, making it possible to explore this biodiversity hotspot without spending a fortune. Bolivia's Madidi National Park, in particular, is renowned for its wildlife, with diverse ecosystems ranging from Andean peaks to tropical rainforests. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.